वो रूम में था। Yes, students, we covered up to this time. Then, because the Fowler, who was a writer, he wanted to write something about the secret agent, because he had read about the secret agent and he was very much impressed by their way of working. And because they are very strange people, according to him, and they move in dark and all, they take risk at every time. There is a great risk. Means it is a challenging task they perform. इस तरह के काम करते हैं. And that's why he wanted to write something about the secret agent. That's why he met Osibal. Osibal को ये question आ सकता, why did he meet Osibal? Osibal को क्यों मिला था? Because he was a young and romantic writer. He wanted to write something about secret agents. इनके बारे में लिखना चाहता. That's why. But when he met him, he was totally disappointed. वो बहुत ही disappoint हो गया था, because Osibal, he was very fatty, not fatty, very fatty, and his movements were very lethargic, lazy movement rather you can say. And he was not fit for any description of this secret agent. Secret agent का कोई भी description उसमें fit नहीं होता था. And that's why he was totally disappointed. But when they entered the room, he saw the first thrill. उसने उनकी जो पहली थ्रिल थी वो दिखाई दी थी when they entered the room. जब उन्होंने एंटर किया उसमें रूम में जब एंटर किया, he was because Max was waiting there. And now first story he had made already to trap him, and he wanted to give him his confidence. उसको अपने confidence पे लेना चाहता था. कौन सा confidence था? So that he can assure that there was a balcony, कि वहां पर balcony है. He had told him, and he told this is the second time that someone has entered into the room. Second time है जब कोई उसके रूम में एंटर कर गया है, उसके रूम में एंटर कर गया है. That's why he made this story. It shows that he was very intelligent and he has a very presence of mind, very active in this regard. Of course, his movements and outlook, it was looking little bit lazy, but mentally he was very active, very smart, and very intelligent. Okay, so first he made the story. उसने अपनी स्टोरी बना दी regarding the balcony के ऊपर जो स्टोरी. Okay, we will start reading. Yes, 48. Come on, join. 49. One more. Let's start. Okay, so we'll start reading this. Now, first he made the story of balcony, and then after that, and he told it was just an ordinary window, and below that there is a balcony. And last month also someone entered through that balcony. उस balcony से कोई enter कर गया. Okay, balcony. Max ने कहा, when he told, Max said balcony. Max said with a rising inflection, no, a pass key. He told no, a pass key. Means with the help of a pass key actually I entered. I did not know about the balcony. Balcony के बारे में मुझे पता नहीं था. I might have saved me some time. It might have saved me down. If now Max told, if I would have known about the balcony, I would have saved some time. कुछ time में बचा सकता था. And saved me some trouble I had known. Means whatever the trouble, whatever the pain, whatever the hard work I had to do it to enter into the room, it could have been avoided. ये avoid हो सकता था. ये avoid हो सकता था. Okay, let me take the attendance. Okay. Yes, this could have been avoided. And it is not my balcony, Osibal said. Osibal ने कहा ये मेरी balcony, because it is not attached to my apartment. मेरे apartment, मेरे compartment इस side में नहीं है. With the extreme irritation, and it create a irritation, anger, गुस्सा पैदा करते हैं. It belongs to the next apartment. दूसरे apartment means the part of building. It belongs to the other part of building. And he glanced explanatory at the Fowler. Fowler was in the way of explanation. He wanted to explain. And he looked and he had a glance at the Fowler. Fowler की तरफ भी उसने देखा, भाई this was the problem. And you see, उसने कहा देखो, he said, this room used to be a part of the large unit. ये room एक large unit का part था. मीन्स लार्ज अपार्टमेंट उसका पार्ट था, एंड द नेक्स्ट रूम थ्रू द डोर देयर, और नेक्स्ट रूम है उसके डोर के दरवाजे से, यूज टू बी द लिविंग रूम, ये एक लिविंग रूम था, मीन्स अदर रूम वाज अटैच्ड एंड थ्रू द डोर इट वाज ए लिविंग रूम, एंड इट हैड द बालकनी विच एक्सटेंड अंडर माय विंडो, और उसकी एक बालकनी थी विच कम्स अप टू माय विंडो, उसकी एक बालकनी है अदर अपार्टमेंट की, एंड दैट कम्स नियर टू माय विंडो, मेरी जो नजदीक विंडो के नजदीक आती है, यू कैन गेट इनटू इट फ्रॉम द एम्प्टी रूम 2 doors डाउन, 2 डोर नीचे जाके दो, एंड यू कैन जस्ट एंटर इनटू दैट, वहां पर एंटर कर सकते हो, एंड somebody did last month, he also just quoted one example, एक मेरे he wanted to narrate one incident, एक बताना चाहता हूँ that somebody did it last, कि पिछले मंथ कोई इसमें एंटर कर गया, द मैनेजमेंट प्रोमिस टू ब्लॉक इट ऑफ, मैनेजमेंट ने प्रोमिस किया था कि ब्लॉक इट ऑफ, वी विल क्लोज दैट, वी विल ब्लॉक द बालकनी, मींस देयर विल नॉट बी एनी एंट्रेंस टुवर्ड्स दिस अपार्टमेंट, इस अपार्टमेंट की तरफ कोई भी अपॉइंट वो नहीं होगा, बट दे हैवंट, लेकिन उन्होंने ऐसा नहीं किया। नाउ ही दिस वाज द फर्स्ट, मैक्स ग्लांस्ड एट फॉलर, मैक्स ने भी फॉलर की तरफ देखा, who was standing stiffly not far from Oswald, जो ओसिबल के साथ मतलब खड़ा हुआ, stiffly not in a comfortable position, very tight position in the near Oswald, and waved the gun with the commanding gesture, उसने just commanding way, he just waved the gun, please sit down, means you can sit down, you can take you can relax, he said we have a wait for half an hour, I think, मीन्स हमें शायद हाफ एन आवर का इंतजार करना, बिकॉज 12 o'clock टाइम वाज गिवन फॉर द डॉक्यूमेंट का 12 o'clock का टाइम था, व्हाट ही ऑब्जर्व, जो उसने ऑब्जर्व किया, और व्हाट एवर अकॉर्डिंग टू हिज ऑब्जर्वेशन, द 31 मिनट्स, उसने कहा 31 मिनट्स बचे हैं, ओसिवल सेड मूडीली, ओसिवल ने मूड में कहा, मींस इन हिज ओन वे, अपने तरीके से, द अपॉइंटमेंट वाज फॉर 12:30, उसने कहा अपॉइंटमेंट 12:30 का है, आई विश आई न्यू हाउ यू लर्न अबाउट द रिपोर्ट मैक्स, मतलब मैं जानना चाहता हूँ मैक्स के, हाउ डिड यू लर्न अबाउट द रिपोर्ट, आपने इस रिपोर्ट के बारे में कैसे पता लगा, द लिटिल स्पाई स्माइल्ड heavily, heavily means in a not in a good manner, not in a good sense, he smiled, मुस्कुराया, and he just smiled, and we wish we knew how your people got the report, and we wish we knew, मतलब हमें पता है कि how your people got the report, आपकी रिपोर्ट कैसे लोगों को मिलती है, but no harm has been done, उनका कोई भी हार्म नहीं करते हैं हम, I will get it back tonight, वो आज भी हमें मिल जाएगी, and what is that, क्या, who is at the door, means there was a knock at the door at the same time, now there was a knock at the door, अब दरवाजे पर एक नोक, दरवाजा मतलब there was someone was knocking at the door, Fowler jumped at the sudden knocking at the door, Fowler jumped, Fowler writer, he jumped at the, वो एकदम उछला, who was knocking at the door, Oswald just smiled, Oswald मुस्कुराया, that will be the police, he said, now he made another story, this was the another story, now see if you have to write the character sketch of this Oswald, or if you have to compare the character sketch of quality of this Max and Oswald, these sort of things you have to explain, because it shows the presence of mind, uski bilkul presence of mind थी, that he made two story on the spot and made Max to believe that, और उसने विश्वास दिला दिया, he took Max into the confidence by telling all these two stories, दो story बताते हुए उसने confidence में दिया, okay, and the Fowler jumped, and that will be the police, he said, उसने कहा ये पुलिस है, actually he told that I already informed the police that I am going to get some important paper, so have a extra security, मेरे थोड़ा सा security का ध्यान रखना surround मेरे चारों तरफ, and I thought that such an important paper as one we are waiting for, जिस तरह के important paper हैं जिनका आज हम इंतजार कर रहे हैं, and for should have a little extra protection, इन सब के लिए थोड़ा सा extra protection की जरूरत है, I told them to check on me to make sure everything was all right. मैंने उनको बोल दिया था कि मुझे चेक करते रहना that everything is all right, कि सब चीज ठीक ठाक चल रहा है या नहीं. Max bit his lip nervously, घबरा कर वो अपने लिप को काटने लगा. The knocking was repeated, और वहाँ पर knocking of the door it was repeated, बार बार आ रही थी. And what will you do now, Max? Oswald asked. Oswald ने पूछा, Max अब आप क्या करोगे? अब आप क्या करोगे? एंड इफ आई डोंट आंसर द डोर, अगर मैं डोर का मतलब आंसर, इफ आई डोंट ओपन द डोर, अगर मैं दरवाजा नहीं खोलता हूँ, दे विल एंटर एनीवे, वो एंटर तो कर ही जाएंगे, बिकॉज दे आर ऑलरेडी टोल्ड, उनको ऐसा बता दिया। द डोर इज अनलॉक्ड, द डोर अनलॉक्ड है, और क्योंकि वो डोर अनलॉक्ड है, लॉक नहीं है, एंड दे विल नॉट हेजिटेट टू शूट, और वो शूट करने में भी हेजिटेट नहीं करेंगे, शूट करने में भी हेजिटेट नहीं करेंगे। मैक्स फेस वॉज ब्लैक विद एंगर, उसका चेहरा बिल्कुल काला पड़ गया था, विद एंगर एज ही बैक स्विफ्टली टुवर्ड्स द विंडो, और वो विंडो की तरफ बैक स्टार्टेड मूविंग बैक टुवर्ड्स द विंडो, विंडो की तरफ जाने लगा। he swing he swung a leg over the sill that is a wall portion just below the frame of the window, विंडो के फ्रेम के नीचे की जो दीवार का पोर्शन होता है विंडो से, उसके ऊपर उसने पांव रखा, ओवर द एंड सेंड देम अवे, ही वार्नड, लेकिन उसने कहा सेंड देम अवे, उनको जल्दी वापस भेज देना, ही वार्नड, उसने चेतावनी दी, एंड आई विल वेट ऑन द बालकनी, उसने कहा मैं बालकनी में यहाँ का इंतजार करूंगा, एंड सेंड देम अवे और आई विल शूट एंड टेक माय चांस, नहीं तो अगर आप नहीं भेजोगे तो मैं गोली चला दूंगा, टेक माय चांस, मैं अपना चांस नहीं छोड़ूंगा, मींस आई विल ट्राई टू ग्रैब द पेपर्स, दैट इंपॉर्टेंट पेपर्स, जो भी इंपॉर्टेंट पेपर्स हैं उनको ग्रैब करने की कोशिश करूंगा, ग्रैब करने की कोशिश करूंगा। द नॉकिंग एट द डोर बिकेम लाउडर, और वहां पर नॉकिंग एट द डोर इट बिकेम वेरी लाउडर, ये काफी लाउडर हो गई थी, एंड a voice was raised, and voice was also coming, Mr. Osable, Mr. Osable, he was calling Mr. Osable, someone was calling, so here we can say someone was calling Mr. Osable, Mr. Osable, someone, it means the, what was the first story, this was regarding the balcony, and now the second story, that there was a knock at the door, and he told that it could be police, and they will not wait, because he was going to get very important documents regarding the missile technology, and which could change the course of any country, किसी भी देश का, it means such important documents, and that's why he considered to have an extra protection, उसके लिए extra protection की जरूरत थी, that's why he informed the police to check on him, इसलिए उसने कहा कि मैंने पुलिस को बोल दिया है to check on him, कि मुझ पर चेक करें, that everything is going well, ये सब चीज, because he 12:30 he was going to get the important, वो इम्पोर्टेंट पेपर 12:30 उसको मिलने वाले, 12:30 मिलने वाले। यस स्टूडेंट्स, आर यू फॉलोइंग मी? यस, हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? यस स्टूडेंट, अप टू हियर जस्ट रेज योर हैंड सो दैट आई कैन कम टू नो दैट यू आर फॉलोइंग मी। यस, गुड। Okay, so it became louder, and the knocking at the door became louder, and voice was raised. It means the voice was also coming from there, and they were calling Mr. Oswald, Mr. Oswald. They were calling. That's why now what did Max do? Keeping his body twisted, अपनी body को twist करके, little bit bent, and so that his gun still covered the fat man and his face, so that the gun is pointed towards the uh, पॉसिबल एंड फॉलर, फॉलर की तरफ ही उसकी गन का पॉइंट करता रहे। द मैन एट द विंडो ग्रैब्स द फ्रेम, ग्रैब्स कैचिंग द फ्रेम, उसने उसको कैच किया फ्रेम को, एंड विद हिज फ्री हैंड, जो एक फ्री हैंड, देयर वाज ओनली वन हैंड फ्री, इन अदर हैंड ही वाज हैविंग रिवॉल्वर, दूसरे हाथ में उसके रिवॉल्वर थी, टू सपोर्ट हिमसेल्फ, अपने आप को सपोर्ट करने के लिए उसने दूसरे हाथ से हैव जस्ट ही ग्रिप द फ्रेम उसका, देन ही स्विंग हिज अदर लेग, उसने एक लेग उसके स्विंग करके, एंड ओवर मींस ही वांटेड टू जंप इनटू द विंडो, विंडो के अंदर जंप करना चाहता था, एंड ओवर द विंडो सिल, और विंडो सिल की तरफ ही मूव टुवर्ड्स द आउटसाइड, बाहर की तरफ वो चला गया। द डोर टर्न्ड स्विफ्टली, द डोर टर्न, जैसे ही नोब खुली, स्विफ्टली मैक्स पुश्ड विद हिज लेफ्ट हैंड टू फ्री, एंड ही पुश्ड विद हिज लेफ्ट हैंड, मैक्स ने अपना very smartly, swiftly, very smartly pushed with his left hand to free himself from the sill, अपने आप को सिल से फ्री करने के लिए he pushed himself, अपने आप को धक्का दिया पीछे की तरफ, because he wanted to jump into the balcony, balcony में jump करना चाहता था, from the window sill and drop to the balcony, और balcony में उसने अपने आप को drop कर दिया, and then he dropped, as he dropped, जैसे ही वो drop हुआ, he screamed once, केवल एक बार, he screamed, cried, चिल्लाया एक ही बार, shrilly, very pinching, तीखी सी आवाज में, only once he made a cry, एक बार केवल वो चिल्लाया. Why did he just cry once? Because he dropped from the sixth floor, and just he made a cry. After that, the cry was no more. He fell down and he met his death. And dropped really. The door opened, दरवाजा खुला, and a waiter stood there with a tray. वहाँ पर waiter that actually Henry. His name is Henry. This is the fourth character. Little bit just a special appearance. Henry tray, a bottle and two glasses. उसमें एक बोतल थी और because when they were returning to their room, जब वो अपने रूम पर आ रहे थे, Osable had ordered for this one. ये this wine and for two glasses. He had ordered. उसने order किया था wine. And here is the drink you ordered for when you return. उसने कहा ये लो आपकी drink जो आपने आते हुए order किया था. And he said उसने कहा set the tray on the table. उसने कहा tray को table पर लगा दो. And deftly unlock the cork. और उस cork को unlock कर दो. The cork in the bottle which is used as a cover. And left the room. और वो उसने left room को left कर दिया. उसने cork को खोला और room से चला गया. White faced Fowler. Now Fowler face it became white because of this movement, because of this what it was going on there in the room, whatever incident it was there in the room, and his white, his face become white. उसका जो face था, it became white. उसका white face 58. Face became white because he was just a writer. He had never actually experienced such type of problems. इस तरह की only he had read in the books and all. उसने केवल books में पढ़ी. He was totally full of fear when he was sitting in the room because he was very strictly. He was standing just behind the Osable. Osable के पीछे छुपा हुआ था that anything should not go wrong because he was just in front of the bullet. एक bullet के सामने था, means in front of the revolver के सामने था. And the white faced Fowler stared after him. उसकी तरफ stared after him. उस तरफ घूर कर देखने लगा. But he stammered. और उसने धीरे से बोला, the police. बोलता ये पुलिस है. Means that the Fowler. He told this is the police. मतलब he told there were no police Osable side. After taking a deep breathing, गहरी सांस लेकर Osable ने कहा there were no police. पुलिस नहीं थी. There were no police. 10th class, use subject verb agreement. There were no police. Police is a singular, but treated as a plural. It means meaning is plural. So Osable side, only Henry was there. Only Henry was there. Only Henry was there. Okay. 59 today. Strength has increased. Okay, only Henry was there. Henry, it was Henry, waiter, and he reached at the right time. What role? There can be a question. What role did Henry play? What was the role of Henry? Actually, Henry came at the right time. He knocked at the door. The Max was inside the room and he was threatening them. When he knocked at the door, Osable told that it could be police because he has already informed the police about the important documents and he wanted to have some extra protection. उसके लिए कोई extra protection रखना चाहता था. And whom I was expecting. But won't that man out on the balcony? And उसने कहा that man who will come from the balcony, जो balcony से बाहर आ जाएगा, because that was the first incident, जो पहला incident था. And what about that? बोलता उसमें क्या हुआ? Now if he will come, what we will do? The Fowler began. Fowler ने कहा no. Osable said. Oh, Fowler began. Fowler ने कहना शुरू किया. What about that man? Or Max rather you can say was waiting in balcony. जो balcony में इंतजार कर रहा. No, said Osable. Osable ने कहा नहीं. And he won't return. वो बिल्कुल नहीं आएगा. And you see, my young friend, there is no balcony. क्योंकि यहाँ पर my young friend, there is absolutely no balcony. It means it was just a story made at the right time. ये केवल just story बनाई गई थी to trap the Max. It means see looking by outfit and all. because Max, he was very smart looking and all, but he was a useless fellow, useless fool, because he has not care anything about when he was, because he was a spy and he was going on to the sixth floor. Suppose anything goes wrong, what is the escape? What is the way to escape? उसके पास बचने का क्या रास्ता था? He has not cared at all. I don't think this type of people can be a very good spy, rather you can say. इस तरह के spy बन सकते हैं. Okay, so this was the story. Uh, because all this spy and all their work start in the night only. Night में ही start होता है ज़्यादातर काम. That's why it is known as a midnight visitor. Visitor, those who visit in the night, जो night में visit करते हैं. Okay, so let's go for some more questions. इनके कुछ questions हैं, textual questions we can go through. How is Ausable different from the other secret agent? What was the difference actually? Ausable, and what is the comparison between Ausable and this one Max? And who is Fowler, and what is his first authentic thrill of the day? Authentic thrill means adventurous some movement he observed. Whatever adventurous moment he observed. What was that first? Because if you want to write something of Fowler, who was Fowler? He was a young and romantic writer. He had read that these secret agents and all, they are very mysterious, very strange people, and they always face, there is always face to face. They are facing death at every time, and they are very adventurous. They move in dark with pistol in their hands, and they are very strange people. Okay, so he wanted to write something about the secret agent. In secret agents के बारे में लिखना चाहता था. That's why he told, he just made an appointment with Fowler. Made an appointment with the Ausable. Fowler made appointment. Fowler ने appointment लिया Ausable के साथ. Okay. And how is the Ausable different from other secret agent? Ausable दूसरों से agent. Normally the secret agent supposed to be very smart, very active, physically and mentally, both. But he was actually mentally only he observed that he was very smart, but physically he was very fat and very lazy movement, and he was dull. And even he told he did not have any girlfriend and all, whatever. I mean, his life is just a dull life. So we can say that he was having, you can see in the picture, whatever picture is given in your book, you can see there are three people, they are waiting in the room, and one room, rather you can say scene is given in that one. So he was different, he was very intelligent, and at right time he made two stories on the spot to trap him, to trap and to make sure that he was taken into the confidence. Wo confidence made. First story what he made about the balcony, that was very useful. What was the role of the story of the balcony? Means only because of, and there can be another question, how did Ausable get rid of Max? Max से उसने कैसे छुटकारा पाया? Again you can write the both the two incident, जो दोनों incident थे regarding. And what was the role of the Henry, the waiter? Henry, it was a very vital role he played at the right time. बिल्कुल सही time पर उसने अपना जो role play किया था. Okay, सही time पर. This is all about your chapter. ये आप आपके chapter के बारे में. Yes. And now next question, there will be question now. How has Max got in? Means how did he enter the room? कैसे enter किया था? Because he had told, Ausable told that there was a balcony, and last month also someone entered into my room, and I made a complaint, and they also promised that they would block that balcony. उस balcony को block कर देंगे, but they did not. What is all about? It is all a imaginary story, because it was not reality. There was no balcony at all. कोई भी balcony नहीं थी, because this Ausable was very intelligent, बहुत ही intelligent, and he made a story, and he uh, actually tried to trap Max. Max को उसने trap करने की थी. He took him into confidence, और उसको confidence में. Now, how does Ausable say he got in? And what was, how did it means? How does Ausable say he got in? And what about the, what is the rather views of Ausable? And how is Ausable say that he got in? वो कैसे अंदर आया होगा? Which means according to Ausable, he might have come through the balcony. वो balcony के साथ में आया था. But how has Max got in? But actually he has got in, or he has entered with the help of a pass key. Pass key means duplicates another key, दूसरी key के साथ में उसने enter किया. Next is there are questions. Let's see. There are some questions we will discuss about this one. The first question comes. Okay, this question today I'll not send. Tomorrow you will have a question on this one. Why did Fowler want to meet Oswald and why he was disappointed? First question. I think this question I explained. Fowler, first you write something about the Fowler. Who was Fowler and what was his profession, age and all, and what was his nature, you can write. Fowler was a young and romantic writer. He wanted to write something about the secret agent because he had already learned that about the secret agent, their movement, their activities and all. Okay, then he wanted to write something about the secret agent. उनके बारे में वो लिखना चाहता. And then Fowler had the same feeling. Means first of all he was disappointed. Who was Fowler? Fowler क्या था? And why he was disappointed? Because whatever he had learned from the book and all, whatever he knew, when he met Oswald, he did not find anything like that. Because Oswald, he was very fat, and his movements were very lethargic, and he was just a dull person according to him at the first experience they had when they met first time. What is the significance of the balcony in the story? Again, you can, with the help of this balcony, he made the two story at the end, and it was one of the story. ये एक story थी, and it played a very vital role because when someone knocked at the door, जब किसी दरवाजे पर खटखटा था, and immediately he wanted to go into the balcony without creating any problem. Why did Oswald frame the story of the balcony? क्यों बनाई थी? Because Oswald framed the story of the balcony, and he was very outsmart. Means he outsmart Max. Max से ज़्यादा intelligent था. Mentally he talked. Was there balcony outside the window? Absolutely there. It was just a story made at the right time. Right story at the right time. Okay, questions and answer, it will be sent to you. Yes. If you want to ask anything, let's see. Yes, students. Participants, students, if you have got any problem regarding any topic, you can raise your hand. Just 1 or 2 minutes we will have. Yes, you can raise your hand. We'll ask you to unmute. Yes, you'll be unmuted. Raise your hand. Anyone wants to talk? अगर किसी ने बात करनी है, you can raise your hand. Students, lesson is clear. One of you can raise your hand if it is clear. Let's see. Okay. Any student who is having any problem in understanding the chapter? Okay, just you remove your hand. Let me see. Okay. Students, you raise your hand who are having any problem, any confusion in the chapter. अगर आपको कोई confusion हुआ है तो you can raise your hand. Let's see. I want to talk to you. मैं आपसे बात करना चाहता हूँ. Yes, come on, at least come. Come out, someone. There has to be some problem because no problem is the main problem. If you understood 100%, that's not possible. You can have no doubt in two conditions. केवल दो कंडीशन ऐसी हैं जहां आपको डाउट नहीं हो सकता. फर्स्ट, यू अंडरस्टूड एवरीथिंग 100%. आपको सारी चीज 100% समझ में आ गई है. सेकंड, यू आर नॉट अंडरस्टूड एट ऑल, देन ओनली यू विल नॉट हैव डाउट. नाउ 100% you understood everything, I don't think it is possible. It means you are having some problem, you are not coming out. Come on, let me see, at least one student should come. कोई एक तो आए so that we can discuss something. Come on, students.